Aryanata.
My name is Muhammad Farah Aryanata.
My name is Graciela Silitoma.
My name is Chief Fernando Sikombi.
Okay. I will explain this slide one. This slide explain about background and system recruitment. The system power supply arm robot requires a stable and protect 24 VDC power supply for Balikpapan industrial arm robot. The system is used support three main parts: the PLC, stepper motor, and sensor. If the power supply has a problem, the system can be disturbed. Based on HRS, the output will be the output must 24 VDC output plus minus 2%, and the ripple must be less than 50 MVP peak to peak, and the current also supply 5 until 10 ampere continuously. And this system is used protection OVP, OCP, and SCP. Okay, next slide will be explained by Graciela.
Okay, thank you, Madam Atal. Here I will explain in slide 3. This slide shows the mechanical design of power supply model and closure. The design includes front and back view and left and right side view and top bottom view. The front panel has the model label, output specification, and 2 status indicator. Green for on or normal condition, and red for off or full condition. The enclosure also has mounting hole for screw and ventilation module to help reduce heat inside the module. The design makes the power supply safer, easier to install and stable for the industrial RMM robot system. That's all my explanation. I'm back to the model.
Okay, thank you, Stella. Next slide will be explained by Jeffrey.
Okay, next system recruitment verification HRS power. The slide shows the verification of the HRS recruitment for the 2024 volt DC power distribution board. Each recruitment is matched with the components in the schematic. The 24 volt output is provided by the SMPS and filter capacitor. Ripple is reduced using capacitors such as 100 picofarad and 100 nanofarad and 220 microfarad for protection. OVP I use N393 DVS diode MOSFET and voltage divider resistors OCP use in a 240 with 1 and 10001 OHM shunt resistor. SCP use the main fuse and branch fuse. For motor, PLC, and sensor lines, the board also has LED indicator for normal and fault condition because the system use 24 volt DC. It is still below 60 volt DC and limits the PELV safety recruitment. So all HRS recruitment are fulfilled in this design. the next. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. Okay, next slide will be explained by Farah.
Okay, I will explain to the electrical. The circuit receives 24 DC from the SMPS. The input freeze pass through fuse and TVS diode, and then filters, which provide freeze stacks of protection. After that, the circuit continuously monitor the voltage and current. Under normal condition, the MOSFET turn on. Okay, allowing power to flow the output. Okay, if an overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuit condition detected, the MOSFET turn off, disconnecting the output to protect the connected device. After the power is confirmed to 20-volt supply is distribution to motor, PLC, and sensor to individual fuse. Okay, next this is LED green to confirm normal condition, and red LED to confirm fault condition. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Farah. Okay, next slide about conclusion. So, the conclusion of this system, the design 24 DC power distribute board successfully distribute power to the motor stepper, PLC, and sensor. So the system has according by the HRS. That's all from us. Any question, guys? Okay, Adira.
Why does the power supply need OCP, OCP, and OTP protection?
Okay, this question I will answer. Why the system need the OVP, OCP, and SCP? Because the OVP protect the system for over voltage, and OCP protect the system from over current, and SCP protect the system from short circuit. So why we need connect the OVP, OCP, and SCP for the system safely and more reliable. Okay, next question.
What is the function of the filter and stabilizer block in the circuit?
Okay, this question answered by Jeffrey.
Okay. The filter and stabilization block reduce voltage, ripple, and makes the 24-volt DC output more stable before it is distributed to the motor, PLC, and sensor. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from Group 1 Power Supply. Thank you.